Welcome to Friday. This is week 5. So we have Sofiyana Biryani. Now Sofiyana Biryani is a lighter version of the biryani. This was made by the bawarchis or the khansamas or the cooks, chefs, whatever you call them, in the Hyderabadi court. So this is white in color. So we have chicken, and most of the elements that you will see are basically white in color. The only color elements are some mint leaves and some green chilies. There is very little spice in this recipe. The rice is cooked in milk to give it that white color, and then we cook the chicken separately, and both of these will cook to about 3/4. Then we'll put the rice on top of the chicken, cover it, and then cook it for a little bit more to finish the cooking. And that's as simple as that. So for that, what we need is, we have some green cardamoms, some cloves, and some cinnamon. We have some onions. This is Khoya, milk solid. This is cream. This is almond paste, lemon juice, garlic and ginger. So what I did was I cleaned out the almond paste and just put the water in here. And then we have some garlic and ginger paste for the chicken. This will go into the rice along with some the cardamom, the cloves, and the cinnamon, along with the milk. And then we have some green cardamom powder that will go into the chicken, and then we will cook it in ghee, and then we'll garnish it with mint leaves. So that's about it for how we will cook it. Shouldn't take more than about 45 minutes to an hour to cook. Water has come to a boil. We'll put in the garlic and the ginger. We'll add the milk to this. That's 1 cup of milk. And we'll add the cloves, the cardamom, and the cinnamon. And then let it come to a boil, and then we'll add the rice to this, lower the heat, and let it cook till it is 3/4 done. We also added salt to this mixture. So at this point, let us move to cooking the chicken. So this is getting hot. To this, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of ghee, maybe a little bit more. And then to this, again, remember, we don't want anything to brown. So we'll add the onions here. So these are sliced. Put a little bit of salt, no peppers. You want to have your heat in low. Add some green cardamom, some cloves, and some cinnamon stick to get the same flavor of the rice. So the mixture has come to a boil. This is the milk and and some ginger, garlic, cardamom, cloves and cinnamon. So we'll put the rice in. We had also put in some milk to give it that white thing. We'll lower the heat and then we'll cook this till it's 3/4 and then we'll drain it. So we're back on the chicken. So we want this to get a little more translucent. So maybe just a minute or so. So it's almost there. I'll add the ginger and garlic paste to this. So just wait for a few seconds, maybe at the most a minute. It will give off the ginger and garlic smell. As soon as you can smell it, then you want to put in the Khoya. At this point we'll add the Khoya. We want to make sure that it just melts but it does not break. So just a couple of minutes. As you can see, the Khoya has melted. At this point, we'll add the almond paste. Constantly monitor the heat so that nothing browns. That is very important. So if you need to turn it up, turn it down. Let's check on the rice. It needs a little bit more time. So it is it's almost there, but it's not fully there. So at this point we'll add the green chilies and a little bit salt. So we add the cardamom powder, the green cardamom powder. We'll put the chicken in now. Mix it. And then add the yogurt. At this point you can increase the heat a little bit. Let's check on the rice. So this is done 3/4, so I'll take it off the heat and wait for the chicken to be cooked about 3/4 and then put it in. So let us add salt because we haven't salted it after we put the chicken in. I'll put in a couple of tablespoons of water. Mix it in, and then I'll cover and cook it for about 2-3 minutes so that the chicken is cooked about 3/4. Chicken should cook very quickly. The chicken is 3/4 cooked, so at this point we'll put the rice over this. We'll try to break it so that the rice is lower the heat. We'll put the cream on top of this. Again, as you can see, this is all white. The lemon juice. This will cut through some of the richness of the cream and the almond paste. And then last but not least, we cannot forget the ghee on top. So I'm going to put it on top. It will smell, it will flavor the whole rice. And then last but not least, you want to put in some salt on top. And that's it. At this point, what we will do is we'll cover this and then put in the lid here so that it seals in the air or the steam, and we'll lower this. This will cook for about 10 minutes And then we'll put in, last but not least, we'll mix in the mint leaves, and then we'll serve it. And with this we'll serve us a simple salad. 10 minutes are up, so I'll remove the lid, the aluminium foil, and then we'll add the mint leaves, and we'll mix it. This is fully done. The chicken is fully cooked. That's it. We'll plate it and then we'll share it with you. Sofiyana Biryani is ready. This is a white biryani, like I said. And then we have a little bit of salad. This is onions, cucumbers and tomatoes, very finely sliced. A little bit of mint and coriander, lemon, and some chilies. That's it. Very simple, salt and pepper. Thank you for watching my videos. Hopefully you like this easy biryani recipe. This is very simple, very easy to make. Thank you and enjoy the weekend. Please subscribe, like and share my videos. Thank you again. And bon appetit, and again, have a great weekend.